Hey everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to fix the media keep stopping in Samsung Galaxy S26. First of all, reset app preferences. Open settings, scroll down, click on apps, click on three dots more option. Here you will see reset app preferences. And if you want to reset app preferences, then click on reset app preferences. Now click on reset. After click on reset, reset app preferences from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update, open settings, scroll down, click on software update, click on download and install. Here you will see update option. And if you want to update software, then click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be update from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset all settings, open settings, scroll down, click on general management, click on reset, click on reset all settings, click on reset settings. After click on reset settings, all settings will be reset from your phone. This is how you can fix the media keep stopping in Samsung Galaxy S26. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.